Welcome back to Send the Left, Send the Right, Send the Left, Send the Right. I got my Mr. Miyagi on today. Hello. Hello, did you kill my father? Don't go there. We did that one already. Today, hey, guess what? We're gonna do a project from start to finish. It's our new mantra, start to finish, S to F. We are going to make a flip-flop sign, Florida, Martha! I think he's had a few too many again. Who is this Martha? England swings like a pendulum too. Bobby smokes cigars 2 by 2. Westminster Abbey, Tower Big Band, rosy red cheeks of the little children. You young kids just totally won't get that song. Not at all. Zero. So today we are going to do a flip-flop sign that was inspired by a friend of mine has a sign, flip-flop sign that says something to the effect of, oh, I love flip-flops in Florida or something. But mine is better. Go figure. We're going to show you how to do a beach house decor with a flip-flop and start to finish, beginning to end. Unbelievable. This is like the third episode. Hope you guys are liking this stuff. This is like blowing my mind. Like, hey, what? I got an idea. Let's do a project from start to finish. Then everybody will maybe want to watch it, and it'll be a lot shorter. Oh, I cleaned the spiders out of my fish globe here. Put some fresh water, DI water in there. There, so, hey, little fishy. They're not real fish. Oh, that would be cool. I could put goldfish in there. I wonder if that would mess them up with all the bubbles. That'd be funny. Let's try that. We were wondering what we were going to do with that thing. So yeah. So let's get to it. I'll show you how to make a flip-flop for your beach house, because a lot of you are very wealthy and you have a beach house, and if you want this sandal, it'll cost you a lot of money, but you know, you can't buy it in the store. Anything's for sale here on Dees Nutz, Project Dees Nutz. So if you ever want something that I make, just DM me, and I'll let you know what the price is. And you might have sticker shock, but you know, then again, you might be one of those wealthy listeners or watchers that go, that's nothing, I'll take that. So maybe I'll throw some big price tags on these things. You know, artistry isn't cheap. You know, they got pigs making paintings and stuff nowadays, and they're going for tens of thousands of dollars. A pig, a freaking pig is painting something and they're selling for $10,000. Do you think when that pig dies the price will go up? Nothing like bacon in the morning. Alright kids, let's get to it. Alright, today we're gonna make a flip-flop, beach house flip-flop sign. This is my template. I'm gonna go sand it off now. It's Bigfoot. So I'm gonna go sand this. I cut this out already. Basically took a flip-flop and I made it larger with a compass, traced it around. So don't tell me it don't look like a flip-flop. So let's go sand that. Alright, so what I've done, cut my template out, and then I laid these on the wood and cut them out. So I numbered them, so when we put them back together, I'm going to have the whole foot. So there you go. So that's the foot. So now I got to figure out I think what I'm going to do is take a piece of the skinny plywood, this plywood that I use for these signs. And I think I'm going to cut it out, and then I'll put these blocks on there and nail it to it. And then I can just have a firm platform to work on, to cut and or sand. Sand it. Why don't you sand it? So see, that kind of looks like a foot already. Yeah, buddy. All right. So what I've done is I've cut my pieces, I've laid them out, I've clamped it up. I'm going to glue this to here and nail it to it now. And we'll do that. I'm going to use crazy glue because it's painted. So hopefully it'll stick. This crazy glue is crazy, I tell you. It's so good. And I found out that these nails go through this thin plywood really far, so I have to be, I'm going to have to shoot on an angle. Dang. Make sure I got all my stuff covered. Everything's in line. Got a little glue on my finger. Not good, dude. Not good. Alrighty then. Make sure I still got nails. Three to spare. Okay. So I'm measuring. This is the only rope I could find that I had, so I'm gonna use it. Orange is kind of go Bears. Orange is a tropical color, sure. So we'll glue this in here, but I'm basically going to make the straps, and I'll be using the Joey shears to cut that. Oh, Joseph, let me down. Okay, And you're going to heat up the end, melt it all down. So it fits in the hole. Oh, look at that, perfect. Is that perfect or what? Sure, why not? We're going to do this other one for the other hole. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. And then we got to leave a little bit of strap here because we're going to make a whoop-de-doo. So, oh, maybe we'll cut that end. Let's leave this end long and. Oh, there you go, Joey shears. Oh, I don't think that's long enough. So I'm gonna have to tie a knot in this, and then this is gonna go into there. Oh, maybe it's Christmas. New neighbors moving in. Big whoop. I'm gonna go this way. I want to go this way because I want to hide the melted end. This is all very technical stuff, you know. We're just going to pull that. Oh, I didn't hide it very well, did I? Well, that looks alright. That looks alright. Oh, that'll be good. Sure. And that goes in there. Boom. Like that. Yep. I'm liking it. I'm going to cut a little bit off. Joey shears! Melt it. That'll go in there. It'll be like that. There you go. You got yourself a sandal. It should be on Naked and Afraid. I can make a sandal. Alright, so we'll glue that in after. We're gonna stencil some words on here. Like life is better in flip-flops. How's that? That'll be cool. Alright, so I'll stencil and then I'll come back. I got so caught up in doing this, I forgot to film. Alright, so I've stenciled a saying on here, and now I'm going to start painting it. Drill the holes for the strappies together. Oh, there's a nail in that wood. Didn't see that. That's why that saw blade wouldn't go through there. So that's what I got so far. I added a little yellow to it, some blue. Give it a little flair. Well, that was fun. Loving life in flip-flops. Unless, of course, you kick your compressor stand. Then it's very painful because you break your little toe. That thing's getting real ugly. Let me tell you something. I look at it and go... So, now the edges, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I don't know if I think I'm going to do either a clear coat of polyurethane, or I'm going to band it with some oak and then polyurethane it. Maybe paint it black, because clip-clops are usually black. And I got to replace this. I got to go get some rope, some hemp rope. Lots of hemp around here in Florida. So you'll see the end results there, but that's where I'm at right now. I thought that came out pretty cool. I had a little yellow. I tried to add a little beige, didn't show up too well. So that's where we're at right now. We'll see what happens next. And the finale. I decided I'm just gonna go with the clear gloss on the side. I think it looks more natural. You know, looks more like a sandal. And I got rid of the orange straps and put in some hemp rope that I got from Hobby Lobby this morning for 99 cents a yard with my 40% discount. But I wanted to put a knot in the front, but if I put a knot in the front, then it kind of takes up the word lovin', so you can't really see what I'm selling there. So that's the way I left it. So it turned out great. Muy bueno. Another project done on Project Dees Nutz. Welcome back to the Nut Ward. Sorry for air conditioner's gone. Let's just pause. So anyways, oh my goodness. Alright, I'm not gonna wait for the air conditioner to go off. You're just gonna have to listen up. So we did the flip-flop. That was the finale of the flip-flop. And start to finish, gone, done. Don't you love this new format? You get to see something every freaking time. Next one, that friend of mine, she bought some cutouts of, I think it's just like, what do you call it? The steel you make the boxes out of for your cold air returns and stuff. She bought some signs that say thankful and home and all this. She wants them mounted on wood, but she wants them raised up like my Dees Nutz. So I call it the 3D signs. So we'll be doing those 3D signs the next time. Those are pretty simple. They were like $3 at Target. And it was probably I can't even say. I have no idea. Just 3 little pieces of plywood, but it's all in the time. It's the amount of time you spend doing it. So you'll see how I do that. I at first I couldn't figure out how the heck I was going to do it. I was going to try the nuts and do the glue, the E6000, and I was like, nah, I don't think so. So I came up with a pretty good idea. I think you're gonna like that. So as always, God bless you guys. Have a great day. I hope everything is well in your realm, and share it, like it, ring the bell, and comment. If you like them, comment. Come on, let's see some comments, man. Let's get her done, yo. Alright, God bless. Till next time, we'll see you again on Project Dees Nutz.